today we have some apple cobbler and
Then we have a roll, we have chicken cordon bleu, and we have some roasted potatoes. Let's dig in! I like that. I love it. It's roasted to perfection.
good texture.
I got some lemonade. It's homemade lemonade.
Unsweet.
Unsweet?
Yep. Go ahead.
What's up with the chicken? We're gonna try chicken cordon bleu.
Okay. Ready? Cheers.
That's good.
It's not dry or anything.
It's moist. And the ham or the bacon on it gives it a perfect top.
Yeah, there's like a little sweetness to it. I've never had that before.
You never had it?
No. Soup time.
Soup time.
This is just like vegetable soup. Just vegetable soup.
I don't like vegetable soup, but that's really good.
Tomato-y. Soup tasting. Nothing to complain about.
I'm not a big fan of soup, but that's probably the best soup that I've ever had.
It's a good soup.
I agree.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Good roll.
It's apple cobbler.
Apple cobbler. I've heard raving reviews about it. So let's see if they're true. I love apple stuff. So
I do too.
Doesn't disappoint. Very good. Very yummy.
It melts in your mouth, which is a good thing.
You know, I've never had any other apple cobbler, but this hits.
I give this a 10 out of 10.
I would say my experience at the lunchbox was very pleasant. Chef Sam was a very welcoming teacher, instructor.
Students were also very welcoming and nice to everybody.
Yes, everyone was very nice. I thought the food was amazing. I mean, it's always better than eating what we have at school normally. So, yeah.
It's very seasoned well, and it's cooked well, and it's delicious.
So delicious, so yummalicious.
Yummalicious.
They were
I loved
very
it.
amazing.
They were very, as we said, they were very welcoming, and they were very nice to one another, and we didn't have any problems of trying to find where everything was, and they were just like, this is that, just making sure that we know what we're being served, and they were just very polite overall.
Would you recommend this to your friends and family?
100%.
What's there not to recommend, you know?
Exactly.
Everything was good.
It's
Amazing.
food.
Yeah.
I love food.
And it's cheap, only $8 a plate. So that's a bonus.